Protect yourself, protect yourself. What kind of protection do I need? Nothing but immune system is the main protection of your body. But we are destroying it by our bad habits. So we are gradually becoming unprotected from diseases as well as virus bacteria. This is very important to grow up your immunity system of your body for fight against virus germs which enters our body unknowingly. The immunity system is a host defense system comprising many biological structures and processes within an organism that protect against virus and germs. To protect ourselves viruses like COVID-19, immunity system is a must. In this video, I'm gonna share you about some methods which can be followed to boost your immunity system. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, eating dairy products regularly. Milk is the called ideal food and it helps us by many things. Milk have protein which help us to grow up our body rapidly, healthy. It has also zinc, vitamin E, vitamin B, vitamin D and many necessary nutrition. Physicians says that in our stomach there lives some good bacteria which help us to fight against virus and diseases. If the number of bacteria decreases, many dangerous diseases like cancer will attack us. Milk or dairy food help us to grow up the bacteria rapidly and makes them powerful by serving ourselves. Next, taking vitamins, especially vitamin C and vitamin B. Vitamin is the main nutrition for increasing our immunity system. Vitamin is called the life of a food. Vitamins is also important for our living grow up and immunity system. Vegetables and fruits are the main cause of vitamins and like carrots, tomato, broccoli, capsicum, cabbage and fruits like mango, banana, guava, blueberries, apple, orange, pineapple, strawberry and more our sour food is contain vitamin. You can also use sweet potato. Vitamin B complex contain vitamin B1, B2, B12, B6. This vitamin is also very important for human body. Vitamin C is very important for immunity system. Fruits, vegetables contain a lot of vitamin C, which is water mainly soluble. It cannot store at body, so we should eat vitamin C regularly. To find vitamin C, we should depend on fruits and vegetables. Also, you can find vitamins from milk. Vitamin A, D, E and K is fat national vitamin. The vitamin is found by some carotinaceous vegetables like carrots, bean, tomato, papaya, etc. Besides, some foods contain vitamin A like mango, jackfruit, again fish oil or vegetable oil and also animal fat contain vitamin A, D, E, K. However, cheese, milk, yolk, ghee, yogurt also contain these vitamins. Vitamin D is very important. It may be found by sunrise and sunshine. You should also eat eggs every day. Egg is a good source of vitamin and protein which can improve your immunity system. You should take multivitamin tablets which has every kind of vitamin in a proper amount. Next of all, regular physical exercise. Regular exercise is an important thing for increasing your immunity system. A healthy person leads his exercising routine. Walking is the perfect exercise for every ages person. You can also run. Running is an important exercise. If you want more, you can take sit up, push up, leg up, jump up or weightlifting. This exercise really improve your immunity system. You should do morning walk. It is important for growing immune system as well as body fitness. Physical exercise makes us strong, both outer and inner. Every day, at least 30-minute exercise can be good for your health. Up next, keeping stress maintained. We always remain very much worried about the incidents happening surrounding us. It is the main cause of increasing stress level. There is a strong link between your immunity health and mental health. If we stress too much, our body produces stress hormone which suppress our immunity system. So, it is very important to maintain your stress level and you should always remain happy and think about the positive. Proper sleep. You need a proper sleep. Actually, your body is as like as your computer. Your body needs rest. Proper sleep is a must for leading a healthy life and for improving your immunity system. You know that an adult person needs at least 6 hours for sleeping. If you don't sleep, your body produces stress hormone which decrease your immunity system. For this reason, we need proper sleep. We should go to bed early and wake up early. An English proverb said, "Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise." Avoid taking alcohol and smoking. If really a bad habit to drinking alcohol or smoking cigarette, it causes a lot of harmful diseases, and if you drink alcohol too much, it becomes the causes of your frustration, and for that your immunity system will be decreased. You will feel tired and many diseases like blood pressure, heart diseases will attack you easily. If you smoking cigarette or anything harmful, if I advise you leave it now. It is really a worst habit, and if you smoke, the immunity system will decrease and many organs of your body will damage easily. It causes a lot of cold fever, cough, and blood pressure, heart diseases, and also the dangerous lungs cancer. Actually, it fell worst effect on your immunity system. So, for increasing your body immunity system, you must avoid alcohol or smoking cigarette. To protect ourselves from any kinds of diseases, virus, bacteria, germs, especially the virus as novel coronavirus, we must increase our immunity system. Today, many people are died by COVID-19. Again, many patients have recovered their life from coronavirus for their immunity system. So, it is very important to increase our body immunity system. Scientists is trying to invent vaccine for coronavirus. They advise to improve your immunity system and fight against corona till the vaccine is invented. So increase your immunity system and enjoy your life. If you like this video, please share to all. As a result, they will be beneficial from you, and if you want to be beneficial by watching this kind of solutional video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, please comment us. Thank you.